My home is incredibly important to me. वहाँ मैं relax करता हूँ, unwind करता हूँ, recharge करता हूँ. And I constantly keep adding things to my house. The perfect accessory, just the right chair, maybe the perfect lamp. And today I'm at Kit and Kaboodle to find all those and more.